And thank you so much for joining me. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman. We just want to give you an update of what has been going on with our weather. It has just been very, very busy in the weather department today. A lot going on today, and you can see all that precipitation is really blowing up a storm over there. Parts of the Midwest could be under a winter weather advisory over there. But for us, some of us are going to be under a winter storm warning. A lot of the watches and the warnings and etc. have been upgraded, so a lot has been changing within the last hour and a half, and this is happening quite quickly here. So we want to get to the verge of what's really going on here. So we're going to show you the main picture of what's going on right now. So this is what we have. Currently, we were under a winter storm watch that has been canceled at 3:33 this afternoon, and it is going to be upgraded to a winter storm warning that officially goes into effect for us in southeast Michigan at 9 a.m. Wednesday, lasting until Thursday at 11 o'clock. I'm going to tell you, it is really on the move. I've got some other reports, other graphics that I would like to show you as well, but you can just see that the storm is strengthening as we speak. So didn't really think that this was going to happen, but the weather can change every couple of minutes. So this is the kind of action that we're seeing right now. So it sounds like all the ingredients are coming together for this storm potential. So if you're in parts of Michigan, I'm not sure which areas are going to see the winter weather advisories. I know if you're in, trying to look here, but the things are coming up so quick it's hard to explain. If you're in Monroe County, you are going to be under a winter weather advisory that will be in effect for you, but mainly about half of Michigan and maybe a little part of the northern part will be under a warning that also includes Port Huron and the Thumb area, especially Oakland, Macomb County, the Flint area. It all depends on where you're at. So the difference of the scenario is rapidly changing quickly and fast, and we have a lot to cover. So that's what we've got going on so far. So when I talk about the extended forecast, you're not going to like what you see. So if you do have any errands that you have to run today, you might want to think about getting out there and stocking up and getting some winter supplies that you may need before the snow really packs a punch here in southeast lower Michigan. So, and then we'll talk about snow amounts and much more. I have more updates coming up within the hour. I'm working on this as fast as I can and get all the information together for you. So I will continue to stay on top of this. I've actually been on staff since 7:30 this morning working on this forecast, and it has really been a roller coaster ride for all of us here. It's been quiet for most of the day, and then in parts of the afternoon, late afternoon, that's when things really started to turn uh, for the worse. So this is just a heads up of what is yet to come. We'll talk about the snow amounts. We'll let you know how much snow we're going to get, but I am going to tell you right now, if you are north of Detroit, north of M59 corridor, do expect heavy snow, and 10 inches of snow is not out of the question for those people. That also includes the people in Macomb and Oakland County, or wherever you are shaded in pink, is where you will see the greatest amount of snow, the heaviest of the snow, and we can even see whiteout conditions and much more. I'll have all the facts and all the information that you need to know coming up when I return after the break. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman. Please stay with me, and I'll have continuing coverage throughout the evening. We'll be right back.